Hi friends, let's today talk about a gigantic financial institution which plays a vital role in nation-building activities. The Jewel of India, LIC. LIC is not just an insurance company. It is one of the largest financial institutions in India and one of the largest institutional investors in the country. Life Insurance Corporation of India manages an enormous investment portfolio running into lakhs of crores. Industry data indicates LIC's assets under management (AUM) are around 57 lakh crore rupees, accounting for a dominant share of the Indian life insurance industry's assets. Why is LIC's money considered relatively safe? 1. Huge exposure to government securities. A large portion of LIC's investments is in Government of India securities and state-backed bonds. These are among the safest investments available because they carry sovereign backing. Reports indicate LIC is one of the largest holders of Indian government bonds, with holdings measured in lakhs of crores. 2. Massive diversification. LIC does not put policyholders' money into a handful of companies. It spreads investments across government securities, infrastructure projects, PSU bonds, corporate debt, blue chip equities, banking, IT, energy, FMCG, and other sectors. This diversification reduces the impact of any single investment failure. 3. Long-term investment philosophy. Life insurance liabilities are long-term. LIC invests with a horizon of decades rather than months. Temporary stock market falls generally do not threaten its ability to meet policy obligations. 4. Strong regulatory oversight. LIC is regulated by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India and follows statutory investment norms regarding where and how policyholder funds can be invested. This limits excessive risk-taking. 5. Government ownership. The Government of India remains the majority shareholder in LIC. It provides an additional layer of confidence that policyholder interests are extremely important to the institution, and your money is safe as it has sovereign guarantee. Then why do people worry about temporary stock falls? LIC always believes in long-term investments. Even if any investment performs poorly, it does not materially threaten LIC's financial strength, putting LIC's size into perspective as it manages roughly 57 lakh crore rupees. That does not mean losses are desirable, but it shows how enormous the overall corpus is. Bottom line, LIC's strength comes from massive asset base, 57 plus lakh crore AUM, heavy allocation to government securities, diversified investments across sectors, strong regulatory framework, long-term investment approach, majority government ownership. For policyholders, the biggest reason for confidence is that LIC's liabilities are backed by one of the largest and most diversified investment portfolios in India, with a substantial portion invested in government-backed securities. In simple terms, LIC is not betting on a few companies. It is managing a gigantic, diversified pool of assets where government securities form the backbone of safety. So, always say yes to LIC